Shannon
isn't available right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
Today we're on the way to Samaesarn, which is in the province of Chonburi, but I think we're going to stop at a floating market on the way there. My mum has decided to bring us to the Pattaya Floating Market because JR's never been to a floating market before. This is Pattaya Floating Market, and the first thing you will notice is that foreigners are charged 200 baht each for entry and locals are free. It is a Wednesday and it's about 11:30 in the morning, so it's not really that busy. And it also looks like a lot of the place is under construction. It looks pretty comparable to most other floating markets in Thailand. There are a lot of touristy items for sale. It just doesn't seem as busy as any of the other ones I've been to before. Oh look, there's actually a boat there.
I thought they'll actually
have more boats. I don't think a lot of Thai people come here. Most of the tourists seem to be Korean or Chinese. And you can see around here that a lot of the signs are written in Chinese. There are a lot of food stalls here, but I don't think I'm going to get anything because a lot of it looks very gimmicky. For example, I think I've already passed 5 stalls selling bugs and crocodile meat.
I've already had it.
And here's another stall selling scorpions. The bugs on offer. And some more crocodile. It looks like it's getting a little busier, so maybe it does get really busy on the weekends.
Give one to the one line here. Give some to that one.
Have some for your patient.
Leave him alone. Wooden guns.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but it seems like there's always some kind of construction going on wherever you walk here. This place does have quite a few places to take photos.
Do you want a photo here?
Besides that, it's pretty much like every other floating market, but with less boats. There are just stalls and stalls of souvenir type items and food. Oh, okay, so it looks like the boats are down this end of the market for some reason. And there's the garbage truck boat. It kind of looks like the Tesla Cybertruck. We're at Samaesarn Kitchen Seafood for lunch. Are you gonna get oysters? This is a pretty big restaurant right on the water, but right now the tide's out, so all we get to see is mud and rocks. You can see a lot of people out there though looking for shellfish, and I'm sure the view must be really nice when the tide's in. This is my coconut smoothie, and JR got a watermelon smoothie. As well as all this outdoor seating, there's another side to it, and then there's also upstairs. It seems like a very popular place because it has very high Google Maps ratings. This is a spicy cashew salad, and it's the same kind of salad that I had at the Seafar Resort. And this is the rest of the food we ordered. So we got Samnang and Penang fish curry, and JR got prawns. And here are the giant cheesy prawns. The food was really good, but I am so full now, so Vidal and I are just taking a walk while everyone else is still eating. How sad do these sharks look in this tank? I feel so bad for them. This is just right across the road from the restaurant. We thought there was some kind of market here, but it looks like they're just selling beach toys. I don't think we can check in yet, so we're just driving around looking at all the military stuff that's around this place. We just left our other resort to this one. This one is a lot cleaner and a lot brighter than the last one. So I don't think we'll be moving again. And there's a window seat here with a view of the sea. And there's a little niche here with some more storage. Shower gel, shampoo. Whoa, that was so loud. Some more storage. Bathroom and the bathroom. Which is pretty basic, but it's clean. I forgot to mention it, but we were about to stay at this other place, except that it was full of mosquitoes, so my mum wanted to change hotels. And I'm glad she did, because this place is much nicer and much cleaner. And I think there's a cute cafe here. Wait, don't you hit anything? It was really hard to park that thing, and we couldn't work out the brakes, so I'll just show you. The hotel we're staying at lends out this kind of scooter for free, and it just has this carriage attached to the side of it, but it's kind of sketchy. I don't know if you can see that, but different. We managed to get a regular scooter. Everyone around here seems to own those modified carriage scooters, but it was just too scary for me. They're pretty much just welded to the side. We're at Ma Jor Pier, which is opposite of Palin Eatery. And you can see a lot of the islands here, so it's a nice spot to come and take photos. So that's Palin Eatery and Cafe there, and it's advertised all over the town. So I'm guessing that it's a pretty popular spot. And next to it is this Frog Coffee Cafe. It might be because it's low season, but it's pretty quiet here. We've come to a lookout, but I don't know the name of it, so I'll try and find it and mark it here. The picnic tables up here have little vases of flowers on them. I never said where we were, so we're in Samaesarn, which is a small seaside town a little south of Pattaya. I think it's a military base, or they have a military base somewhere. I'm puffed out because we just hiked up these steep stairs, but that's the view, and it's supposed to be really clean and well kept because of the military. But the reason I think it's a military town is because there are a lot of statues and stuff depicting the military everywhere. There are also a ton of rooster and some other animals, statues everywhere as well. But there's the view. I'm excited to go to the island tomorrow. And now we've got to hike back down.
What are you doing? Every person I say hello to.
They probably just think you're being polite. Where's Mum? Mum. Walk. Okay, bye.
Rice and chicken.
Fried rice.
Fried rice and chicken.
Nice.
We did. We went all the way. There's a military.
แล้วถ้าแบบว่าถูกใจเนี่ยซื้อหนูเพิ่มได้ไหม
ไหนลองเล่นหน่อยสิคะ
เอาได้ค่ะได้ค่ะ
No thanks. deli's floating over the water. Is it relaxing? We're in Samaesarn, just south of Pattaya. And Vidal is relaxing, or he was. Can you believe Vidal's actually fishing? Squid fishing.
And there's no squid anywhere.
Well, there might be. Because it's windy. Is this for picking this up? Or this? Del, where are we going? Huh? What are we doing? Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's a video. Are you excited to do something?
Sunset